Hi guys, Chrissy here. Thank you for joining me for another video. I have an awesome project for you. I think you're gonna really love this one. I love this one. So yeah, we're gonna make incense holders. So here are the incense sticks that you would normally burn, and you can buy incense holders, but it's way cooler to make your own, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So first, let me show off what I've made so far. What you need for these incense holders is little plates or dishes, and you need little big beads, actually, I should say. You want at least a ½ inch in diameter. And then you have these little bead caps that are used for jewelry. And so what you do is you take your incense, there's a little one that I've already burned, but you stick it in the hole, and then as it burns, the ashes go into the dish. So here are some that I already made, and the dishes don't have to be old. I usually get them at like thrift stores and flea markets and yard sales, but these I got at Walmart. These are Pioneer Woman, and I saw them and I thought, oh, those are so cute. So I'll make them out of that. So you can see the little bead inside. And for glue, I use like E6000. That's what I used for these. Here's one with a little owl bead inside it. I just think that's so cute. So yeah, I will add to this video and do an actual tutorial, but I just wanted to show you these in person so you can get an idea of what to do. Thank you so much for coming by. Please remember to like and subscribe. It really, really helps me. I'm new to this, and if you want to see more stuff, definitely let me know. Comment below, like, subscribe, it all helps. I really, really, really appreciate it. All right, and I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope you have a lot of fun with this project. Okay, let's make our incense holder. The first thing you need is a little dish of some sort. Something smaller than a baseball is best. You need a large bead that's at least a ½ inch in diameter. And you need a bead cap, which is definitely on the larger side. You need the hole to be big enough on the bead and the bead cap for your incense stick to go through. So you can actually take a toothpick with you in your purse or your pocket and keep it with you, and if it fits a toothpick pretty well, then you know it's going to fit your incense. You can get bead caps on Amazon. I got this great assortment of silver bead caps on Amazon.com, and here's some gold ones that I also got on Amazon. I really, really like these. It's a really nice selection of large bead caps, and I'll definitely link these below in the video, and I'll also link them in the blog, so you can purchase them if you like. You can also go to your local craft store and find some bead caps there as well. So the first thing you want to do is take some E6000 glue or something similar, and you want to put a dollop on a paper towel like this, and take a toothpick, put a little bit of glue on there, and you're going to put some glue on your bead cap. Then you need to decide which way your bead's going to go, if it's going to go this way or this way. And you want to place your bead cap on top of your bead, lining up the holes. And you can always use the end of your toothpick to line the holes up. Next, you want to take your bead and dip it in the glue, or apply the glue from the tube. And you want to place it in the center of your dish. It might try to tilt over. Just keep an eye on it for the next few minutes and just keep tilting it back in place. Make sure that the hole is definitely going up and down. You can use a toothpick to make sure that it's staying in place. And that's it. You've made an incense holder.